Hello guys, it's Nikita here. Welcome to my channel Creativities with Nikita. So today I'm going to show you how to make this very beautiful yet easy handmade notebook for Teachers Day special at your home. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So things which we will require today are a yellow handmade paper, A4 size white sheet, Fevicol MR, glue, some paper clips, a pair of scissors, a needle to stitch the notebook, and paintbrush. I'm using here 00. You can use any thin brush, a pencil, black gel pen, ruler, crochet threads, and some fabric colors. So let's start with my video. So first we will take A4 size white sheets and fold them into two halves, and for better finishing I will take one paper at a time and then make them into two halves by folding them properly and cut them using paper cutter or pen knife. Similarly, we will cut through the remaining white papers using paper cutter or pen knife. After cutting the A4 size sheets into two halves, we'll arrange together and clip them using paper clips and fold them into two halves again. Now, by pencil and scale, we'll measure 4 cm from both sides and just pierce holes using my needle and thread to bind the notebook. After 2 rounds, we will make 2 knots as I am showing you in the video. You can make a bow, but I am just making a proper knot. Cut the excess thread using your scissors, and you can see that the base of my notebook is ready. Now let's make the cover. For this we will need a yellow color handmade paper which measures 21 by 30 centimeter. We'll measure the notebook like so, and then we'll use the Fevicol MR glue to paste into a thick durable cover. I'm using here some paper clips so that the paper sticks very easily. Let the paper dry for a few minutes and then trim off the rough edges, if any. Now I'm using here red crochet thread to attach the cover and base of my notebook. So I'm piercing a hole with my threaded needle and then pass the needle through the yellow thread of the base of the notebook, and we'll do the procedure twice for hard binding, and then we'll take the needle outside and just make 2 knots and then a bow. Now we will upturn the cover and use little bit of Fevicol MR glue so that the strings didn't get loose or the paper didn't get detached, and it will be durable. Now it's time to decorate the cover. So I'm using a black gel pen to write some words. Now I'm using here some fabric color and my thin brush to paint some leaves, flowers. So my beautiful handmade notebook is ready. So I really hope you guys loved and enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for latest updates, and do share me your reviews in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.